I have pre-selected a round burr that is going to be the same width as the girdle of the stone. But what happens if you have a synthetic stone like this? It has different thicknesses. What are you going to use? Are you going to use the same round burr for the thinnest part of the girdle? The answer is a definite no, as in N-O. You will pick a round burr that is the same size as the thickest part of the girdle. Once you have that selected, and be very careful with this, you're going to use a round burr and come in on the inside of the wall where your undercutting burr, your high-speed steel burr, was making a contact. You're just going to make it nice and smooth, and where it has to be in the same level from the tip of the bezel to where the pavilion is going to be sitting. This is where the stone is going to be making a nice new home for itself. It's almost going to be very, very happy. Now what am I doing now? I'm making sure that the stone is sitting level. I'm shadowing it so the light of my fluorescent is not going to interfere with my eyes, and I can see that the stone is sitting just great. I'm turning it around, and I'm very happy with it. Because if I'm not going to be happy, the stone isn't going to sit right. And I have to make sure that it's not going to be on an angle, twisted. That's why on my previous diagrams I make sure that I'm going to be hitting the sides first. Then I will be doing the ends. If I do the ends first, the stone will tilt and not be able to